Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Shopee. Changing your password in Shopee is straightforward, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open up a web browser and type in shopee.com in it, and then you'll end up in the home page. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once logged in, go ahead and mouse over to your profile picture at the top right, and in the pop-up select My Account. Inside the My Accounts tab, you will then be able to see several menus. Click on Change Password, and then you'll need to first verify your email by clicking on the Verify button at the bottom. Now go ahead and respond to the notifications sent via this email or any other email that you have registered. Go ahead and click Open the Emails inbox and click Open the email from Shopee. Now click on this link over here, and this will redirect you to a new page where you can easily change your password. Now get back to the Shopee website that you previously opened, and inside this set password box, go ahead and type in a new password. Confirm the new password by re-entering it again. Finally, click on Confirm. You have now successfully changed your password on Shopee. Next time you log in, or when needed, you will need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how you easily change your password on Shopee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Shopee tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.